1.
Download or create an object. Selective clone. Object. Pick a thing. Customize details. Export mesh. Place your object. Select original. Select yours. Transfer weights. On original, delete verts. And join your object to it. Open Information tab with N. Place 3D cursor where new joint should be. Store 3D cursor details. To use the one I'm using,
Find that in the description.
save and re-import on all LOD. Back in Blender, delete shadow. Delete verts. Merge meshes. Save as shadow. Replace the shadow LOD too.
2.
Rig slots. Add. Name bone. Paste 3D cursor deets. Warehouse. Rig. In bones, edit. Select new joint. Copy name hash. Model. LOD. Edit items. Fong. Bones. Add. Paste hash. Save. Locate bind pose bones. Copy. Paste name hash. Repeat on all LODs that have a Fong. Select model. LODs. Meshes. Repeat process. Tools. Modding. Renumber. And resync. Export mesh. Weight paint. Red equals weighted. Blue equals not weighted. On your joints, assign chosen verts via edit mode. Select with B, a few, or all with A. Then assign. On joint transform, remove weights of the one selected for your new joints. Test joint by select rig, pose mode. Test joint, save, re-import. Done. So originally this was going to be just one video, which would have been 10 minutes. That's far too long for something like this. So I've split it up into 3 parts, but you'll always have the full length version if you want it. Alright, stay tuned for part 2.